Hi, it's Miss Van Buren, and today I would like to show you how to use the partial product strategy to solve multiplication problems. This is a strategy I've been working with my students on in class, and I really like this strategy because it only has 4 simple steps. And once students master these 4 steps, they have a much easier time solving multi-digit multiplication problems. So the first problem I'd like to walk you through is a 1-digit by 3-digit problem. It's 2 times 731. And I'm going to show you how to use just 4 simple steps and the partial product strategy to solve this. So step number 1 is to draw your rectangle. And once your rectangle is drawn, you're going to move right along to step number 2, which is to expand the numbers. One tip I show my students is put the smaller number on the smaller side and the longer number on the longer side. Once they've expanded out our numbers, drawn a rectangle, the problem is set up. So steps number 3 and 4 are actually solving the problem. Step number 3 is to multiply all. That means they're going to multiply 2 times 700, which gets us 1,400. 2 times 30, which gets us 60. And 2 times 1, which is 2. I really put an emphasis on multiplying all so the students remember that they need to make sure whatever number's on the smaller side is multiplied by all the numbers on the longer side. Finally, once they have the products of all of those problems, the final step is to add them up. I really put an emphasis on lining up the digits correctly. The ones place lines up with the ones place, the tens place lines up with the tens place, and so on. And once they add them up, we get our answer, which is 1,462. You can also use the partial product strategy to solve a 2-digit by 2-digit number, and it's still 4 easy steps, but this time I tell the students to draw a square. Because when we move on to step number 2 and expand our numbers, we need to expand both numbers out. And this box can get a little bit more confusing, but if they just stick with step number 3 and multiply all, they know to go 20 times 40, 20 times 3, 5 times 40, and 5 times 3. Once we have all of our products, again, the 4th step stays the same, and it is to add them up. They line them up correctly, and we get our solution, which is 1,075. Really, if our students can just master those 4 simple steps, they will master the partial product strategy. I hope this video helps you with solving multiplication problems using this wonderful strategy. Thanks.